Incorporating art is a proven method for helping children to express their thoughts and emotions and fix the new learning into long-term memory. Students create their own Three Angels Messages book, illustrated with unique watercolor and crayon resist paintings. Let's see how students create their own books as Dr. Sandy uses this strategy to teach visual art lessons in the curriculum.
Watch as Catherine does her wet on dry painting. And remember, wet on dry means the paper is dry, but the brush is wet. And so she's wet her brush, and look how she's trying to really coat this with paint. And now she's starting right at the tip of her paper. She's not leaving any white space at the end, and she's going all the way across and just carefully making sure that she applies that paint all the way across her paper. And you notice she's experimenting with a lot of different colors here. Now she's taking her brush and she's going to actually wet the brush and make sure that she shakes off some of the water inside the jar so it's not too wet, but leaving some water on there. And she's going right below where she worked, but overlapping a little bit. With watercolor, the way you make a lighter color is just to add water, and you can make all different tones. So when you do your practice sheet, be sure to practice doing that. Make sure you put some water on there. See how she's making a nice light blue line just by adding a little water to the brush. Now Catherine is going to be getting her paper ready for her wet on wet, and notice she's taking her sponge and getting her entire paper wet from one side to the other, making sure before she applies the paint for this wet on wet technique that her whole paper is wet. She has a sponge just on a little stick here, but you might have just a regular sponge. It might not be on any kind of a stick or anything. It doesn't matter. Just make sure when you do your wet on wet that all of your paper is nice and wet, not soaking wet, but just enough so that you have some moisture on there. And now she's getting her color ready to apply, and you'll notice the different ones that are putting the color on, they're getting a totally different effect. See Ethan, his paper, see how nice and light that blue is and how it kind of spreads around a little bit with a soft effect. Kind of looks a little bit like a sky that you might see. And Catherine is still working over there. You'll notice that her paper also, the blue looks very different than those other stripes. You see how it's going to blend a little more? And you don't only have to put a stripe directly across the sky. You can put the paint any way you want. And you'll see that some of them will look a little different than others. See, here's Alan. He's making sure his brush is nice and clean before the next color. But you see how his colors, he's doing it a little differently. And that's totally fine. Here's another beautiful sample of the wet on wet technique. And you can see how the colors are allowed to blend with this technique. So have fun. Now it's your turn.